सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट हाईलाइट डॉक्टर रेड्डीज प्रॉफिट फॉल 14% YoY to 1,210 crore, internal revenue up to 120%. Q3 result live updates. Zomato parents Eternal posted a 72.88% increase in the consolidated profit after tax to 102 crore in the third quarter of this fiscal year compared to 59 crore a year back. At least 55 companies will release their earnings on Wednesday, January 21. Q3 result live updates. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories consolidated net profit fall 14% YoY to 1,210 crore. Revenue from operation at 8,753.4 crore versus 8,381.2 crore, up 4.23% YoY. Net profit at 1,209.9 crore vs 1,413.7 crore, down 14.42% YoY. Q3 result live update. Internal profit advanced 73% to 102 crore, revenue up to 102%. Q3 result live updates. Zomato parent Eternal reported a 72.88% surge in its consolidated profit after tax to 102 crore in the October-December quarter of financial year 2026. In the year ago period, PAT was 59 crore. Revenue from the operation stood at 16,315 crore in the Q3 financial year 2026, up 201.85% from 5,405 crore in the year ago quarter. Q3 live updates. Eternal quick commerce turned adjusted EBITDA profitable. Q3 result live updates. Quick commerce net order value growth remains robust at 121 YoY, 14% QoQ, despite the GST sense and seasonality like-for-like non-NOF growth at 130% YoY. Deepinder Goyal said 211 net new stores were added in the quarter, taking in the total store count to 2020 stores as the end of the quarter, about 70 stores short of our guidance of 2,100 stores. Adjusted the EBITDA margin as a percent of NOP turned positive from the first time on a quarterly basis, with 4 crore adjusted EBITDA profit improving significantly from a losses of 156 crore in the previous quarter, he said.